An advances study approach to calculation of proposed recruitment by clinical sites on stage of feasibility to clinical trial of 2-3 phases. Many clinical trials fail because they don't recruit enough patients. This is a big problem, as it delays the development of new medicines and treatments. In large trials, doctors at different hospitals called clinical sites are asked during the planning stage how many patients they think they can enroll. But these numbers are mostly guesses, based on their experience and how common the disease is in their area. Our study looked at data from 4 clinical trials that ran between 2007 and 2017. We wanted to find a better way to predict how many patients each site can realistically recruit. By analyzing data from questionnaires and public sources, we created a formula that helps calculate this number more accurately. We call this method Calculated Proposed Recruitment of Patients (CPRP). It's a smarter, more reliable way to plan patient recruitment using real data instead of guesswork. With CPRP, trials can be better organized, fewer will fail, and new treatments could reach people faster. This approach brings more science and less guessing into clinical trial planning, making the whole process more efficient and effective for everyone involved. Introduction. This study looks at the common problem of not getting enough patients to join clinical trials, which are essential for testing new medicines. Many trials are delayed, stopped, or fail because too few people sign up. This happens in up to 40% of studies. For example, only 4% of cancer patients take part in clinical trials, and about 48,000 patients were affected by trials that couldn't meet their enrollment goals. Often, there is a big difference between how many patients researchers expect to enroll and how many actually qualify and agree to participate. Some clinical centers don't recruit any patients at all. This study defines patient recruitment both as a final number and as an ongoing process affected by many different factors. Understanding and improving how patients are recruited can help make clinical trials more successful and speed up the development of new treatments. Conclusion. In this study, we created a formula called Calculated Proposed Patient Recruitment (CPRP) to help predict how many patients a medical center might enroll in a clinical trial. This tool uses specific information about the clinical site to estimate its potential for patient recruitment before the trial even begins. By calculating the CPRP value, researchers can better choose which sites are likely to perform well. For example, if a site has a CPRP score between 2.2 and 2.4, it's expected to recruit very slowly, about 1 patient every 5 months. If the CPRP score is between 2.6 and 2.9, the site is considered average, with an expected rate of 1 patient every 1 to 5 months. Using CPRP helps in smarter planning, saves time and resources, and increases the chances of completing clinical trials successfully. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.